Let me first introduce myself. Greetings, I am Tanisha Pandey. I have a postgraduate degree in agricultural engineering. I am working as a product engineer with Sprayers team for more than 2 years. Today, I am going to talk about an emerging trend in agriculture. My topic is precision agriculture, exactly what and where is needed. Precision agriculture is an integrated crop management system which uses 1. Computer vision. 2. Machine learning. 3. Advanced robotic technology. It distinguishes between crops and weeds at the same time. Very few projects in the real world put these three cutting-edge technologies together that will enable growers. Precise spraying. Optimizing inputs. Increase profit. With the help of different modern technologies, machine divides the field into smaller zones, zone into rows and row into individual plant. The biggest question is why precision agriculture? It has many advantages. Agronomical perspective, improves yield of crops. Technical perspective, technologies include a vast array of tools of hardware, software and equipment. Global positioning system, GPS, receivers. Differential global positioning system, DGPS. Geographic information systems, GIS. Remote sensing. Variable rate applicator. Combine harvesters with yield monitors. Environmental perspective, save the environment from overuse of chemical and other resources. Economic perspective, save resources and saves money. The purpose of precision farming technologies in relation to herbicide use is to reduce herbicide cost and environmental impact from spraying, but at the same time to achieve acceptable weed control. It is not beneficial for farmers but for all of us. The environmental benefit of using less herbicide, thereby harmful chemicals from the water table, is a gigantic benefit, not just for the farmers in question, but the world at large. Food contamination is a matter of serious concern, as the high concentration of chemicals present in the edibles poses serious health risks. Protecting the public from the degrees of the harmfulness of contaminated foods has become a daunting task. The term pesticide is a composite term that includes all chemicals that are used to kill or control pests. Pesticides are used to protect crops against insects, weeds, fungi, and other pests. They also play a significant role in food production. They protect or increase yields, and the number of times per year a crop can be grown on the same land. Pesticide facts. Pesticides are potentially toxic to humans and can have both acute and chronic health effects, depending on the quantity and the ways in which a person is exposed. Some of the older, cheaper pesticides can remain in the soil and water for years. They have been banned in developed countries for agricultural use but are still used in many developing countries. There are more than 1,000 pesticides used around the world to ensure food is not damaged or destroyed by pests. Each pesticide has different properties and toxicological effects, and the toxicological effects of multiple pesticides can be greater than the sum of their parts. You can see in the picture how the harmful chemicals are mixing with our food cycle. Aim 1. In India, there is knowledge gap of technology and advancements globally in agriculture, specifically in crop care. Our aim is to pass the knowledge, help in career advancement in agricultural technology. 2. Our objective is to teach the audience how the modern technologies could help the farmers and boost the economy. 3. To assist people to think differently and innovatively and how they could contribute to global agriculture sector even if they are from different stream. Working. Sprayers has many components, which include drivetrain, cab, solution system, boom, chassis, controls, engine, supports hydraulics. Solution system, which also called the heart of sprayer. It consists of solution tank which holds the solution that is a mixture of water and chemicals. Agitator internally located at the bottom of solution tank, helps in mixing the solution. Strainer, also called filter, is used for removing solid impurities from the solution. Pump. A pump is a device that moves fluids, liquids or gases, or sometimes slurries, by mechanical action, typically converted from electrical energy into hydraulic energy. Pressure regulator. A pressure regulator is a valve that controls the pressure of a fluid or gas to a desired value. Pressure gauge. A pressure gauge is a fluid intensity measurement device. Pressure gauges are required for the setup and tuning of fluid power machines and are indispensable in troubleshooting them. Without pressure gauges, fluid power systems would be both unpredictable and unreliable. Gauges help to ensure there are no leaks or pressure changes that could affect the operating condition of the hydraulic system. Surge tank. A surge tank, or surge drum or surge pool, is a standpipe or storage reservoir at the downstream end of a closed aqueduct, feeder, dam, barrage pipe to absorb sudden rises of pressure, as well as to quickly provide extra water during a brief drop in pressure. Control valve. A control valve is a valve used to control fluid flow by varying the size of the flow passage as directed by a signal from a controller. This enables the direct control of flow rate and the consequential control of process quantities such as pressure, temperature, and liquid level. Boom. Field sprayer. Booms are an important part of the pesticide delivery system and can influence application accuracy and efficiency. Booms come in all shapes and sizes, depending on their use, and deliver the spray solution to the nozzles and tips at the desired pressure for the target. Nozzle. A nozzle is a device designed to control the direction or characteristics of a fluid flow, especially to increase velocity, as it exits, or enters, an enclosed chamber or pipe. A nozzle is often a pipe or tube of varying cross-sectional area, and it can be used to direct or modify the flow of a fluid, liquid or gas. In the tank, the solution is stored and mixed with the help of agitator. Strainer. Remove the solid impurities from the solution before the solution enters to the pump. Pump pushes the liquid solution forward, and solution passes through pressure regulator valve. If pressure of solution exceeds the required amount, it bypasses the solution to the tank. If pressure is under the required limit, then it passes to the boom. Nozzle. Atomize the big droplets and spray it evenly in the field. This is the working of the conventional sprayers. Now let's learn about the work of the precision sprayers. Precision sprayers use computer vision, machine learning and robotics together for onboard processing to optimize the delivery of pesticides and fertilizers. In precision agriculture, cameras are installed in the boom and capture the field. The image captured by cameras go for processing and the program differentiate between weeds and plants matching with the picture available in the database. With time, the database keeps building and accuracy keep increasing. It sprays the solution on the weed only to save solution, money as well as environment from overuse of chemicals. You can see in the picture, the red one show weeds, the green one shows plant. It will spray only on weed. Working of the precision agriculture. As you can see, in addition to conventional system, cameras, radar gun and some processing software are installed in the system. A radar speed gun, also radar gun and speed gun, is a device used to measure the speed of moving objects. Camera capture the field and send the images to computer, which matches the images with the available database. After that it sends the signal to controller, which gives the signal to boom, which nozzle should be operated. Also radar gun helps to locate the location of weed at a given time, keeping speed of tractor in mind. 3 input signals of the crop prescription map, the driving speed, and the working width of the agricultural implement were sampled to the controller through the sensor. The controller was programmed to output the control voltage, which is responsible for controlling the opening of the electric regulating valve. The opening degree in turn determined the flow rate of the pesticide sprayed by the variable system. We may say that neural networks and fuzzy systems try to emulate the operation of human brain. Neural networks concentrate on the structure of human brain, that is, on the hardware emulating the basic functions, whereas fuzzy logic systems concentrate on software, Emulating fuzzy and symbolic reasoning. What is fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is defined as a many-valued logic form which may have truth values of variables in any real number between 0 and 1. It is the Handel concept of partial truth. Results: 95% plus accuracy in real-world scenarios. 50% reduction in seed costs. 90% reduction in herbicide costs. I want to conclude that these three cutting-edge technologies together help in make decisions based on historical data, reduce overlap of crop inputs, work more consistently with the help of satellite navigation. At last, I would like to acknowledge the assistance of John Deere team and the Blue River technology. Thank you for joining me in my presentation today. I hope you found it interesting and useful.